In this video, I will show you how the sentence evaluation tasks work. This is available for grades 5, 6, and 7. To access this task, go to Reading, and then Text Comprehension 2. This task assesses accuracy and the ability to form understanding based on reading a text. Since you cannot go back to the text after reading it, this task also requires memory, which is an essential part of text comprehension. This task is similar to an exam situation, as students have had to study for an exam and then answer questions without access to the study material. The task begins with a practice task, which I will go through here. I will now read the text. Mr. and Miss Pippendorf were asked to cook food for a big party. The Pippendorfs own a restaurant and everybody thinks they have the best Russian food in town. The Pippendorfs woke up in the morning and started to cook food at the same time as their children, Mary and Tessa, ate breakfast. Mary and Tessa hoped to be able to join the party. After reading the text, the student can click on Continue and an attention box will appear. The attention box will remind the student to have read the text carefully and inform them that they cannot go back to the text once they have started the actual task. In the task, the student responds to the statements. The first statement, the Pippendorfs own a restaurant and everyone thinks they serve the best Russian food in town, is a direct quote from the text, so the statement is correct. The practice task provides immediate feedback on the answers. In the second statement, Mr. and Miss Pippendorf were asked to do the decoration for a big party. The meaning has changed. In this statement, it is mentioned that the couple was asked to decorate for a big party. The statement is incorrect because according to the text, the couple was only asked to prepare food for the party. The third statement is a parallel expression because the wording has changed, but the content aligns with the text. Mary and Tessa had hoped to participate in the party, which also means they wanted to attend the party. The last statement is a tricky one because it contains information that was not in the text, so the statement is incorrect. The date of the party was not mentioned in the text. Frustrating statements like this relate to the theme of the text. When students click on Continue again, they will receive feedback on how they performed, which will help them in the actual task. After that, the actual task begins where the student reads 3 texts, each consisting of 12 sentences. After each text, 4 statements are presented 3 times, following the principles mentioned earlier. The test has been developed by James Royer, and the structure of his test is described in detail in his article from 2001, Developing Reading and Listening Comprehension Tests Based on the Sentence Verification Technique.